Hey guys, today I'm using the GELLER Line and Define eyeliner pen, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to begin by pressing the liner in the middle of my eye, following my natural eye shape. I'm not sure why I started in the middle, but if you're more comfortable starting in the inner corner, then by all means, please do so. And as I stated, I'm just following my eye's natural shape while thickening the line I'm making. You can make your line as thick as you'd like. The thickness of your line should depend on your eye look. If you put a lot of work into the lid area, I'm sure you wouldn't want to cover it up with a thick line. So a thin line would be more ideal. As for myself, I didn't do a lot to my lid area. I just used the same color in my crease with the exception of the color I used to blend out those harsh lines. So I could pretty much make my line as thick as I wanted. You also want to make sure that you take your time and not rush because it is very easy to mess up your outlook. I've done this many times, so trust me, take your time. Here you see me removing my tape, and when I remove the tape, you can see a sharp line where my eyeshadow stopped, and I'm just going to follow that line with the eyeliner. Yeah, I'm just following that line. Next, I'm just making a obtuse triangular shape, and I'm connecting it to the line that we made. Then I'm filling that triangular shape in. Now I'm going back and straightening those lines back up. It's great to have a handheld mirror so you can kind of see where you need to straighten your lines at from different angles. I know that it's easier for you guys to see on camera where I need to go back and straighten it up, but it's also good for me to be able to see that as well. Guys, I hope I explained this well enough for you to understand, or you can at least see what I'm doing to understand it. It's not super hard, but it does take practice, but you can definitely achieve it. You'll be winged out in no time. And guys, this is what my wing looked like when I applied my lashes. And yeah, this was the finished look. And guys, this eye look will be up soon as well. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, all I wanna